Hi, I'm Desiree. Today I will show you my Classroom API. Okay, in this first part, I will show you that if you are not AUTH, you cannot uh, work. Okay, for example, if I make execute, you will find that it's an error. Okay, and all the forms work in the same way. Oh, mm, mm, it's working. Yes. Okay. Because once you are in, you can retrieve the information. For example, if you can see all the students, okay, you want to create a new student, you use to manipulate the ERP, create complete display, and for example, this is name 7 execute using decided. Okay. If you want to retrieve a single student by ID, you can do it too. For example, here is Alice student. Okay. We will retrieve Mary fields. Okay. Let me see how this works. Okay. Retrieve a single student by ID, for example. Try it out. You can paste on. Okay. The information is on. You can see make fields. Okay. Now, um, student update. We will try the picture now. Try now. Execute. Execute. Okay. You can see all the picture here. Okay. I will use this, for example, for the six. Okay. Consider create a new teacher, update, delete a teacher, for example. Try it out. Execute, execute. And we said teacher not found. Okay. Now create a new teacher. This is try it out. Okay. And what number the teacher? Maybe um, yeah, we will this is a new teacher. Okay. Um, fire day, 474, 24, and let me see, chemistry and science, for example, biology, 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 and floor number six. Okay, let's execute the semester, execute, and you can see a minute. Okay, so every point is working, and I will try when you don't have the the authorization. Okay, you see that. Mm, you can see my information here. Okay, you see this one, for example. This is the local. Okay, and you also can see that. Okay, and this is like with the gizmo. So this is the profile. You see, message in order to say you must be logged into the access directories. Okay, so every phone is working, and this is my Classroom API that was downloaded in Vendor. Okay, and I hope you enjoy it as I did.